You also have your friends are texting, so you'll definitely want to blur their names.
Oh, I'm not worried about that. I've done enough to text. If you're my friend, stop texting me while I'm in the air.
No, they have a right to privacy. I'm definitely not used to because of how long the yoke is, that when it turns, it always hits my hand. I have to get my hands out of the way.
It takes a bit of getting used to.
Yeah, because whereas the wheel just spins, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whereas the yoke, it's like, oh wait.
The wheel slips in your fingers. The yoke, you gotta grab on in certain spots. And then when it's doing its herky-jerky like that.
I don't need to put up with that.
You can re-engage if you want.
I'll turn.
Driving or was it driving?
Huh?
Were you driving or was it driving?
No, I'm driving.
Shit, it felt like almost the software doing that turn for some reason.
Either that's a compliment
or... No, it's a compliment. I'm saying it's a compliment.
Because sometimes the software sucks.
I'm saying it's a compliment.
Why, thank you.
It's a nice, smooth, aggressive little left. I'm saying it as a compliment. I realize you gotta make a right here.
Okay, commentary, I am forcing it to go this way because that road is closed due to construction.
Yep. I do not feel like taking this car down road construction.
We don't even take our seat down that road.
We take what Tesla now calls the ager down that road. Saying, wait for me.
Taking a left.
Oh, we're gonna make a left here, aren't we?
We are. We're going to do the infamous left, where it poses like a panther.
This is like the worst left turn I've ever seen it make. And it was fixed for a while.
Not as bad as the left that we had going on this morning.
Let's see here.
Is there anyone coming?
No,
I
one
can't
car
see.
coming.
Okay.
Disengaged, re-engaged.
Is anyone coming?
You're clear.
No, there's someone
Disengaged?
coming. There's someone coming and turning, so we're gonna go.
Okay, well, we're not gonna be able to get this on film today. But essentially, you've seen in our other videos, it's really, really bad at that turn.
The reason why I disengaged rather than re-engaging is because that person was going to be turning, and if I had re-engaged...
Well, they can even see it from the air. They can see that other car that was going to be turning right there that we had to yield or give way for. And this car gets in a dumb pose.
Where it blocks that
Correct.
part of the lane. That's what I was trying to say.
Yep.
I think I'm in a less, like, let it go mood with the software tonight because I let it go so much today.
Got it. No problem. Sometimes these drives are going to be like that.
Yes, as we always say, sometimes maybe good.
Sometimes maybe shit. I've said that since day one with the software. We've honestly thought that the even builds were better than the odd builds sometimes. But
no. You have that backwards, my dear. Even was evil, I thought.
Even with, that's right. So like 2s, 4s, 6, 8s, that kind of stuff, right, was evil. And of course with version 12 coming online, that brings it, it'll be interesting if it disproves our theory.
Alright, we're coming up on this left. Is there anyone coming at me?
There is a trailer behind you.
No, I know there's someone behind me, but is there someone
There's
coming
no one coming on, no oncoming.
Okay. I did nothing.
That made it just fine.
Yeah, it was a little herky-jerky, but...
Oh, for sure. Yeah, no oncoming.
Bird! Disengage for a bird. Welcome to living in the suburbs. Alright, I'm gonna just pull up over here and then we will touch and go.